First, the top news headlines. 6 student bodies protest in Imphal demanding implementation of NRC, setting up of Population Commission. Massive wildfire engulfed standing horticulture crops grown in 30 hectares of land at Longsai village in None district. WY tablets worth over rupees 10 crore recovered by Assam Rifles along Indo-Myanmar border. Heroin worth rupees 3 crore seized from Auto. And all Assam Students Union ASU stages massive protests across Assam following frequent HSLC exam paper leak. A very good evening. You are watching IS Primetime English News. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing, hand hygiene, wear masks, protect yourself and get vaccinated to ward off COVID-19. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. A massive protest was taken out in Imphal demanding implementation of National Register of Citizens, NRC, and setting up of Population Commission. The police had to resort to lathi charge after a few tried to storm the Chief Minister and Biren Singh's official residence and also marched to the Raj Bhavan. 6 student groups have raised concerns over the abnormal surge of population in the hill districts, the mushrooming of villages, the cultivation of poppy and the encroachment of reserve forest areas. The student bodies said the influx of outsiders from both inside and outside the country has had a significant impact on the identity, culture, economy, administration and environment of Manipur. They have urged the authorities to take measures to detect, delete and deport illegal immigrants, especially from Myanmar, Nepal and Bangladesh. The student bodies have also appealed to the state government to pressure the centre to implement the National Register of Citizenship in Manipur. They said they are not against any community or religion, but they want to protect the land, environment and indigenous communities from the adverse effects of illegal settlements. They urge the authorities to evict and remove settlements in reserve forest areas, which are crucial for the protection of flora and fauna. The student bodies have also highlighted the unnatural growth in population in the hill areas where the Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reforms Act is in force, posing a major threat to the indigenous communities in the state. They have called for the establishment of a population commission and the implementation of NRC to filter out outsiders.
NRC sanadala kamaina identify tawdino delete tawdino detect tawdino manamaduna NRC hala sanabio masi Supreme Court na su yarabane aduga masi India gi oina leiba aikoi aduga masi Citizenship Act 1955 gi makada NRC se tawgadabane haibi wafam saw yaribane asiguma NRC se Manipur gumba haibadi border area oiba adu international border lonaba lamseti aduguma NRC se tawbiu maduna tabataragadi mitop singna mapu oikakanda aikoi gi sakung pangdaba amakak lakane masa aikoi na yamna mipai zaribadi kari maram gi no 2001 dagi na 2011 phawbada India gi apunba population gi growth sina samna tangi 20% lom tamang oiba matam aduga Imphal Valley gi na population growth ta India ki tongan ba lam kaya dagi laga khundari ba aduguma Imphal mayol se Imphal Valley gi lam state da phawbada samna tangi 17% mukta population growth oiba matam da chingi lamda 38% population growth oibi manam kari gi no masina takpadi unnatural growth lai raibane chawpuk mayam amakhat aikoi lam sing ching sing da khunda lai tas lai raibane masi sing se masi matam chana leingna identify to birakanda madu report to binabagi tamakta aduguma NRC se tangai phada salagadamani.
A massive wildfire reportedly engulfed standing horticulture crops cultivated in 30 hectares of farmland at Longsai, Part 2 in None district, bordering Churchandpur district. The wildfire started from Hengmol village in Henglep subdivision of Churchandpur district. According to Longsai village chairman Kabidon Godmei, all crops including bamboo plants have been destroyed in the forest fire. He made an earnest appeal to the concerned government department to look into the matter. None district has no fire service to respond to such wildfires. If there was a fire service station, the fire could have been prevented, Kabidon Gonmi said. He was upset by the loss of the crops, saying that the crops were grown with exhaustive labor. Contraband drugs, WY tablets worth over rupees 10 crore in international market were seized by personnel of 5th Assam Rifles today around 9 a.m. at More Ward number 5 Muslim Basti near Indo-Myanmar border, pillar number 79. Information from Assam Rifles said 20.625 kg of WY tablets numbering 2.25 lakh pieces were recovered. According to the report, a team of 5th Assam Rifles posted near the IMBP 79 challenged a man who was coming in a Kenvo bike. He was trying to cross the border illegally. Seeing the Assam Rifles, the men dropped a bag and fled the spot. Indo-Myanmar border is guarded by Assam Rifles. On thorough search of the bag, 18 big packages, 4 small medium-sized packets and 9 small-sized packages containing WY tablets were found. The Assam Rifles team seized the WY tablets and later handed over to More police station for further investigation. In another incident, an auto without registration number was seized for carrying 72 soap cases of heroin worth rupees 3 crore at More, according to a police report. The auto was coming from More to Imphal along Imphal-More Road. It was intercepted by Technopal police during frisking and checking at a checkpost along the highway. The auto driver was identified as Saimin Lal Baite, aged 29 years, son of Holkhai Baite of Monjang village near Kudeng Thabi, Technopal district. He was arrested for possessing the contraband drugs. He, along with the drugs and auto, was handed over to Technopal police station for further legal actions. A forest fire was reported in Irilbung area of Imphal East today. A team of Irilbung police station was dispatched to douse the fire. The police are looking for the culprits behind the wildfire. Sources said details are awaited. All Assam Students' Union on March 13 carried out a massive protest across the state following the frequent high school leaving certificate HSLC exam paper leak. The development comes after the Secondary Education Board of Assam, SEBA, cancelled the science exam following reports claiming that the question paper was leaked on social media. In Assam's Tinsukia district, the members of ASU also burned effigies of Education Minister Dr. Ranoj Pegu and SEBA chairman. ASU also demanded Pegu's resignation and asked him to accept his failures at the earliest. SEBA is playing with the students of the state. Often such things are taking place in the state, and that too under the nose of SEBA. You must imagine what trauma students are facing. Pegu should resign, said one of the protesters while speaking to the media. SEBA can't even conduct an exam in a year. When students are coming to the center to give exams, they are told that the exam has been cancelled. Each time condemning such incidents won't do. Proper action has to be taken against the SEBA and culprits, another protester said. In Morrigaon, District Students' Union protested against the Assam government over the paper leak and shouted slogans. Besides this, in the Nagaon district, the scenario was similar as the students in the district too protested against the state government and sought Pegu's resignation. Owing to reports of the question paper leak, SEBA announced the cancellation of the exam and an investigation was initiated for the same. The new dates for the science HHL exam had not yet been announced by the board. This second day of the budget session of the Assam Legislative Assembly was rattled by protests by the opposition leaders demanding answers from the ruling party. The approach road to Zuribam helipad remains unrepaired despite repeated assurance by the authorities. Zuribam residents said they will close the road indefinitely from March 15 to put pressure on the government. They said the important road connects Zuribam College and 3 villages of Bidyanagar, Harinagar and Uchathol. The move comes after the authorities failed to take up the repair work on the road, said T. Mukta Khambi, a Meira Paibi leader from Lamnog Pokpi, according to our Zuribam correspondent.
Masata, Kangibani, Jigi, Lambiko Maitawi, Mana, what Komala, Pamatam, the Lambisha, my Chali have a just minister, Kangibani. Adok, Machizo, that Jigi Prajasin there. Punak, Jigi, Mapam, putting the Lambia, Papajawi, bro. Hajina, Putna Satra, Mayam, school Chapata, so Mark Upasukana Dre, Lok Tunanum, the hell ho was a Jidi Bam, Hen Helongani, Madame the Upun Mayam, the Sabatina, Aduna, Madame Moiratana, Ajajik, Sarkana, Tubamatam, the Ming, Chanbi, oh, Hibase, Aquay Maya, Pibi Mayam, Mahutsalaga, Hiding, Ajasumamit, Usandana, Pangsana, the Natona Labino, Jidi Lambi Pataba Mayam, Tubamatam, Simbu Hibase, Sarkagi, Magida, Aquagi, Parzamiam, Wapamasi Tamizin.
Ayekpam Abhi Singh alias Rabi, age 40 years, Ayekpam Kumarjit Singh, age 46 years, both son of A. Ibom Cha Singh of Kogwa Namayapam Lekai, Beni Lerak, and Konzengbam Avinash Singh, alias Ibungo, age 24 years, son of K. Inaucha Singh of Lairincham, Awang Lekai in Imphal West, who were arrested by a team of Thoba Police Commando and 16 Assam Rifles yesterday have no connection with PLA, according to a statement issued by the band outfit today. The police had also claimed that one Beretta 9mm pistol with 2 magazines, 2 mobile phones and 1 Chinese hand grenade were seized from their possession. In this series of civic action program, 29 Battalion BSF under the aegis of Sector Headquarter BSF CI operations, Korengai, Manipur, today organized free medical camps at village Lekoiching in Kangpopi district under CI Damodar. S.H. Sonam Chiring, Commandant 29 Battalion BSF graced the event, and village Tumukhong in Imphal East under CI Post Mafo East and CI Post Mafo West. Gulab Singh, 2nd in Command Operation 29 Battalion BSF graced the occasion. Doctors, namely Benningwar Jimmy Hulang, Senior Resident Department of Nephrology RIMS, Dr. Debkishore from 88 Battalion BSF, Dr. K. Losi RIMS, Dr. Saulin Thinguzam MO RIMS, along with paramedical staff of 29 Battalion BSF extended their services on the occasion. Ailing and needy people of Tumukhong, Mafo, Nongdam Kuki, Laufung, Thangzing Pokpi, Lekoi Sing, Soplang, Happy Land, Nongpok Kakching and Nongdam were benefited from the medical camps. Well, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back with latest news and updates.
Ana Layengi office ki thabak amadi koi bachatpada India ki konung New Delhi da laifam laitaba ki awaba koklagani. Delhi airport ki yan naknana lairiba Mahipalpur da Manipur miyam ki damakta laizare Hotel Ambrosia. Laifam ki oina lupa lising amadagi hauraga pung kunmari pickup amadi drop ki taxi service laigani. Restaurant service ka loinana tongan ba khudong chaba kaya phangbigani. Vishal Mega Mart, Ambience Mall, DLF Mall amadi irap laptana nungairaba mafam kaya yobada khudong charaba mafam amani. Ngasi ma contact tawbirau Hotel Ambrosia, A217 Road number 6, Mahipalpur. Phone number 9643504772.
Welcome back. After the break, you're watching ICE Primetime English News. As COVID-19 infections continue to inch up, fresh daily cases in the country crossed 500 on Saturday for the first time in 114 days, with the 7-day average having doubled in the last 11 days. The overall numbers, however, are still relatively low and there has been no rise in deaths from the virus, which were recorded at 6 in the last 7 days. India reported 524 new cases on Saturday, the highest daily tally since November 18 last year. In the last 7 days, 2,671 fresh cases have been recorded, up nearly 50% from the previous 7 days, total of 1,802. COVID cases have been steadily going up in the country for the past 4 weeks, which is the longest sustained rise in infections since the previous surge of the pandemic in June-July last year. Maharashtra and the southern states continue to record a bulk of the fresh cases. In the last 7 days, ending Saturday, 3 states reported more than 500 new cases: Karnataka 584, Kerala 520, and Maharashtra with 512. Among states that reported at least 100 new cases during this period are Gujarat registered the highest spike in the infections. Cases in the state jumped fourfold from 48 in the previous 7 days, February 26 till March 4th, to 119 in the last 7 from March 5th to 11. Maharashtra registered an 86% spike in the period, where Tamil Nadu with 67%, 224 cases, and Telangana 63% with 197 cases. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Manipur Forest Department team has so far won 4 medals at the ongoing 26th All India Forest Sports Meet 2023 at Panchkula in Haryana. At this sports meet to be continued till March 14. L. Dhananjay bagged silver medals at 50-meter butterfly, 50-meter breaststroke and 50-meter freestyle. And Anil Kumar got a bronze medal in 100-meter breaststroke. Altogether, 36 staffers of the State Forest Department are participating in the 5-day-long sports meet. In hockey, India takes on Germany in the FIH Hockey Pro League in the Birsa Munda International Hockey Stadium, Rourkela, later in the evening today. This is the second time that the host India will meet Germany in the Pro League match after defeating the reigning World Cup champion by 3-2 last Friday. India has also registered a thrilling win against Australia by 5-4 in the same stadium yesterday. In Women's Premier League cricket, Mumbai Indians defeated UP Warriors by 8 wickets at Brabourne Stadium in Mumbai last night. Mumbai Indians comfortably surpassed the victory target of 160 runs, scoring 164 for 2 wickets in 17.3 overs. Mumbai captain Harmanpreet Kaur scored unbeaten 53 of 33 balls, while Nat Skyver Brunt remained not out at 45 of 31 balls. Earlier, opting to bat first, UP Warriors had scored 159 for 6 in the stipulated 20 overs. In today's encounter, Delhi Capitals will face Royal Challengers Bangalore at 7:30 this evening at D.Y. Patel Stadium in Mumbai. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Six student bodies protest in Imphal demanding implementation of NRC, setting up of Population Commission. Massive wildfire engulfs standing horticulture crops grown in 30 hectares of land at Longside village in Noni district. WY tablets worth over rupees 10 crore recovered by Assam Rifles along Indo-Myanmar border. Heroin worth rupees 3 crore seized from Auto. And all Assam Students Union ASU stages massive protests across Assam following frequent HSLC exam paper leak. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching ICE News and good night.